code-genie.ai, natural language processing. Computers understand machine language but not human language. Computers can process our interactions with software applications only if our requests are translated into machine language in traditional computing. However, NLP has changed that. Amazon Alexa can understand your voice commands, process them, and respond in your language. ChatGPT can understand your language and respond back to you in your language. You can ask Alexa or Google Home about the weather tomorrow or products and services available in your town and get instant answers. Natural language processing involves training computers with large datasets containing content in human languages. AI developers often use machine learning and deep learning along with natural language processing. Software powered by NLP can read texts written in natural languages and interpret them. It can hear speech in natural language and interpret it. Natural language processing can even identify and analyze the sentiment in texts or the tone of your voice and identify the relative importance of parts of the content. Human languages vary widely, and there are various dialects within one language. People might have unique communication patterns and regional accents. Human languages can have very different grammatical rules. An NLP system needs to learn sufficiently about all of these aspects of human language. It can become challenging if you want such a system to cover multiple languages. You will need to feed massive amounts of data to an NLP system to accomplish this goal, as the system will need to derive various models for each language. Please click the subscribe button below if you enjoyed this video. Visit us at code-genie.ai.